Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. Student, in yesterday class we started amines, and in which we saw the introduction of amines, nomenclature of amines. In today class we will see here preparation of amines, preparation of amines. Okay. First is the reduction of nitro compound. First is the reduction of nitro compound. Compounds. Okay. What is that? In presence of nickel, NO2, it reduced to give RNH2 plus H2O. Okay, we will balance this 2H2O. Okay, this way we can prepare amines. For example, CH2, CH3, CH2, NO2. This one is the nitroalkane, nitroethane, and this will be reduced by nickel, and it will be CH3, CH2, NH2, and its name will be ethanamine. Okay, plus 2H2O. Okay, now ammonolysis of second is the ammonolysis of alkyl halide means you have to react alkyl halide with ammonia. What will happen? See here, reaction with alkyl halide. This is the alkyl halide and this is the ammonia. This is the ammonia. This will be removed, and what will happen? RNH2. Okay, plus what will be happen? NH4 HX. One more reaction you can see here, RX plus 2NH3, it will give RNH2 and plus NH4X. Okay, this way we can prepare amines from the haloalkanes. Okay, now this reaction can be continued till the presence of hydrogen. Okay, अगर if we take alkyl halide in excess, if we take alkyl halide in excess, then what will happen? Reaction will continue from the ammonia CH3, here will be RNH2, then next will be R2NH, then next R3NH, R3N, and last R4 and plus. Okay, this way it will react, every time it will react with X, Rx. If we take alkyl halide in excess, then it will continue till the presence of hydrogen. Here you see in the last structure what happened, nitrogens are finished. Okay, this way we can prepare amines from the alkyl halide. Next one is the from the reduction of nitrile. ओके, एल्किल नाइट्राइल का रिडक्शन करके भी हम बना सकते हैं R(C)N plus H2 in presence of nickel, it will give RCH2 NH2. This reaction is used for increasing number of carbon. Okay, similarly you can do same reaction in presence of another reducing agent, as you know that. Okay, what are that reducing reagent? You know, first is the lithium aluminium hydride. This one is the most popular reducing agent, and sodium amalgam NaHG in ethanol C2H5OH. These are the two reducing agents which reduce alkyl nitride into the primary amine RCH2 and H2. Okay, this way you can prepare primary amine from the nitrile. Okay, now we will see next reduction reaction in aromatic compound. Suppose this one is the benzene nitride, you have phenyl nitride Cl. You have to reduce, same reagent you can take lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, you can take lithium aluminum hydride. What will happen here? It will converted into the 1-phenyl methenamine NH2. 1-phenyl या benzyl amine, you can say benzyl amine. Okay, this way you can prepare benzyl amine from benzyl nitride. Okay, now reduction of amide. We can prepare primary amine from the reduction of amine. Reduction of amines. What are the amide? CO and H2. Now you have to reduce this amide in presence of same reagent lithium aluminium hydride in ether. Okay, what will happen? CH2 NH2. What will be formed? CH2 NH2 plus H2O. Okay, I think 2H2. Okay, now we will see the most important Hofmann degradation. Hofmann degradation reaction. You can one name is more you can write half-mass bromamide degradation reaction. Okay, this one is a very important reaction, and name reaction also. You have to know this. You have to take RCONH2 plus Br2 plus KOH. Okay, Br2 plus KOH or NaOH you can take also. Then it will give RNH2. Here the number of carbon is reduced, and you will find K2Cr2 KCO3 potassium dichromate, potassium carbonate, and you will get 2 KBr plus H2O plus H2O, 2 H2O. Okay, this is the half-mass bromamide degradation. Degradation means here is the number of carbon is 2, here is number of carbon is 1. Okay, see one more reaction here. For example, convert ethenamide into methenamine. Ethenamine. Okay, as name suggests that what this one is the ethenamide, number of carbon is 2. Here methenamine, number of carbon is 1. It means here is degradation, because number of carbon is reducing. So if you have to reduce the number of carbon, then you can use half-mass bromamide degradation reaction. How will you perform this reaction? See here, CH3CONH2. This one is the ethenamide. Then you have to take Br2 plus 4. Now we will take NaOH. You can take KOH also. Then you will find first methenamine CH3NH2. Then you will find Na2CO3 plus Na2CO3 plus Na2NaBr plus 2H2O. Okay, this way you can prepare methenamine from the ethenamide. Next most important reaction is Gabriel pethalamide. Okay, this reaction is used for preparation of only primary amine. Okay, this reaction is used only preparation of primary amine. Now see here, Gabriel pethalamide synthesis. Gabriel pethalamide ethylamide synthesis. Okay, you have to take phenethylamine. This is the phenethylamine. Okay, CO, C double bond O, C double bond O, and NH. Then you have to react it with the potassium hydroxide. What will happen? A salt formation takes place. यहाँ पे क्या होगा बच्चों? साल्ट फॉर्मेशन होगा. सिंपल साल्ट फॉर्मेशन होगा यहाँ पे and minus K plus. Okay. Then you have to react with the alkyl halide. What will happen? Then alkyl halide will replace potassium ion. See here, NR plus KX. Okay. Now we will take aqueous KOH or NaOH. You can take aqueous or KOH or NaOH. Here will be hydrolysis. In hydrolysis you will find salt of ethylamide, double bond O, ONA. This is the phthalmic sodium phthalmic acid. Sodium phthalate, or you can say sodium phthalate. Okay, and you will get primary amine NH2. Okay, this way you can separate primary amine from the secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, what happened here? Once again you can see. ठीक है, क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे? हमने जो है पैथालामीन लिया, यहाँ पे केवल से रिएक्शन कराया, यहाँ पे साल्ट फॉर्मेशन हुआ. ठीक है, पोटेशियम साल्ट और पैथालामीन. अब यहाँ पे फिर हमने RH एल्किल हैलाइड से रिएक्शन कराया. यहाँ पे जो पोटेशियम है हैलोजन के थ्रू एक्सचेंज हो गया. अब इसके बाद एक्वस NaOH लेके हमने हाइड्रोलिसिस कर दिया. यहाँ पे सोडियम पैथालमेट बन गया और यहाँ पे प्राइमरी एमीन बन गई. ठीक है, प्राइमरी एमाइन. क्लियर? ओके, नोट डाउन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस रिएक्शन इज. One question I have for you, that is, why aromatic amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel phthalimide synthesis? Question is that why do we not, why can we not, this will be good, not prepare arylamine from Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Okay, हम क्यों नहीं जो है कि एरिल एमीन, जैसे अभी हमने प्राइमरी एमीन बनाया, तो उस तरह से क्यों हम यहाँ पे एरिल एमीन नहीं बना सकते हैं। तो एरिल एमीन का स्ट्रक्चर अगर देखें, और जो हमारा पैथालमीन है, गैब्रियल पैथालमीन जो है, सॉरी पैथिलीमाइड जो है, पैथिलीमाइड एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करता है। एंड वी नो दैट no nucleophilic reaction takes place on the benzene ring or aromatic compound. Okay, here because no nucleophilic substitution takes place on aryl halide, ओके, क्योंकि एरिल हाइलाइट पे न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं होगा, तो इसी वजह से हम एरिल एमीन को नहीं बना सकते। ओके, now preparation of aniline, we will see the next preparation of aniline. Preparation of aniline. Preparation of aniline. Similarly, you can prepare aniline except Gabriel cathalamide. Okay, first from nitrobenzene, रिडक्शन के थ्रू हम इसको बना सकते हैं, एकदम सिंपल रिडक्शन। इसमें हम लोग जो है कि नाइट्रोबेंजीन ले लेते हैं NO2, और यहाँ पे रिडक्शन करने के लिए हाइड्रोजन के साथ हम लोग SnHCl ले लेते हैं कंसंट्रेटेड। ओके, कॉन्क, अगर ये ना मिले तो फिर हम यहाँ पे FeHCl कॉन्क ले लेते हैं। अब ये जो है कि रिड्यूस होकर के क्या बना देगा, NH2 बना देगा, और H2O बाहर हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम यहाँ पे रिडक्शन करने के लिए नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन भी ले सकते हैं, अगर हम 3 ले रहे हैं तो। ठीक है, तो ये नाइट्रोबेंजीन कन्वर्ट हो गई नाइट्रोबेंजीन into aniline, you can say aniline. Okay, next from the Hofmann bromide, second one is the Hofmann bromide degradation. ओके, सेम वही प्रोसेस हम लोग करेंगे। यहाँ पे हमने एरिल एमाइड ले लेते हैं CuNH2। ओके, बेंजामाइड, दिस इज नोन एज बेंजामाइड। This benzamide in presence of concentrated NaOH will react and form, we have to take 2KOH, then you will find aniline plus Na2CO3 plus here should be 4 and here will be also bromine Br2. Then you will find 2 NaBr and plus 2H2O. This way we can prepare aniline from the benzamide by the Hofmann bromide degradation. Okay, this way prepare the primary amine. Okay, today student we have completed preparation first from the nitro compound, reduction of nitro compound, second from the reduction of nitrile group, and third one is aminolysis of alkyl halide, and fourth one reduction of amide, fifth one Hofmann bromide degradation, and next sixth Gabriel pethalamide synthesis, and last preparation of the arylamine by reduction of nitro compound or nitrobenzene, and last one the Hofmann bromide degradation of the what benzamide. Okay, this way we completed preparation of the amines. Now today we will see another topic, that is the properties of amines. Okay, properties of amines. What are the properties of amines? Amines have a smell of rotten fish like okay. First property is lower members are inflammable gases. ओके, जो लोअर एमिन्स होते हैं वो कंबस्टेबल या इन्फ्लेमेबल गैसेस होती हैं. ओके, लेटर ऑन मेंबर फ्रॉम द and member from carbon number C3 to carbon 11 are volatile liquid. ओके, तो एक से दो जो हो गए इन्फ्लेमेबल हो गए और 3 से 11 तक के वोलेटाइल लिक्विड हो गए, और 12 से लेकर के ऑनवर्ड जो है कार्बन 12 टू ऑनवर्ड आर सॉलिड. सभी के सभी क्या हैं? सॉलिड. इसके बाद सारे के सारे सॉलिड है. ओके, और प्योर एमीन्स जो होते हैं, प्योर एमीन्स ऑलमोस्ट कलरलेस. सेकेंड वन इज द प्योर एमाइंस आर कलरलेस. ओके, कलरलेस होते हैं बट डेवलप कलर इन एयर, color in air. That's why we keep amines in the colored bottle. Okay, especially colored in air for longer time, longer, लंबे समय तक अगर रख देंगे तो कलर्ड हो जाएंगे, स्पेशली एरिनमी, okay. And third one is next, boiling point increases with increasing molecular mass. Boiling point increases with increasing molecular mass. Okay. Next property we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.